How do you write the word home? Sound it first.
O.
We have 3. So, get mo po. 3 sound. Okay, go. Home. Very good. What if tanggalin po natin itong si E? Read it. Cover this E. Read.
O. Home.
Ano po?
Home.
Home. That's why we need. That's why. Magic E.
Or E.
Magic E or E para maging long sound O. Remember that?
Yeah.
Okay. So, ito yung mga word na wala doon sa iyong binasa. How about 9? 9.
Okay. I.
3 again. 9. Mamaya ikaw ha.
9.
Go. First.
Mommy.
Ano po?
I.
Mommy,
What
ikaw
is
din.
I?
I don't know.
I. 1 + 1 = 2.
Galing.
This?
Opo. Next.
Can I see?
Wait lang po. Wow! 9. What if you cover the E?
What?
Cover the E. How do you read it? Ano ko?
I.
Magiging sound ano to? Pag walang E.
I.
Ano sound to?
E. E. Mean.
Nin only. That's why we need to put magic E.
Or E.
Or E. Inga siya. Magic E para maging sound na siya ay I. Next. Time. Time, anak. Time. Time.
Okay.
What are the sounds that you hear?
I.
3. Go. Alisin mo to. Go.
I.
Go. Pag wala po ulit E,
I.
ano po to? Pag wala
You need to make the circle bigger because someone not here. No. E. Team.
PM. Okay. Kaya lang nilagyan ng magic E para maging long sound I. Okay, next. Came. What is, how do you write the word came? Wag anak, magbibigay si ate. Came.
A.
Very good.